Story, Libertarian Party is most successful third party, says new ballot access news study. The Libertarian Party is the #1 third party of the last 50 years, based on the number of most successful U.S. Senate and gubernatorial candidates it has fielded, according to new research by Richard Winger. The Libertarian Party has run 25 of the 100 most successful minor party candidates for U.S. Senate and governor since 1948, according to Winger, the publisher of Ballot Access News and one of the most respected third-party and election law experts in the country. By comparison, George Wallace's American Party and its multiple spin-offs that appeared on state ballots in the 1970s took credit for 24 of the most successful candidates, while Ross Perot's Reform Party had 11. Other parties with multiple most successful candidates included the Green Party, 6, the Natural Law Party, 4, and the Conservative Party, 3. The list of the 100 most successful minor party candidates for U.S. Senate and Governor was published in the November 1st issue of Ballot Access News. The list featured the 100 minor party candidates, that is, any candidate other than Democratic or Republican, who won the highest percentage of the vote in any U.S. Senate or gubernatorial race in each of the 50 states between 1948 and 2000. Winger compiled the list by researching the election results for every U.S. Senate and governor race over a 52-year span. The final list included candidates from 32 different minor political parties. The Libertarian Party's dominant showing cements the party's status as the most successful third party of the latter half of the 20th century, said Libertarian Party National Director Steve Dashback. And in another story, Wisconsin Mayor Ed Thompson has officially announced his bid for the 2002 Libertarian Party gubernatorial nomination on November 15th during a whirlwind tour of the state. Thompson, who currently serves as the mayor of Tomah, made his announcement on the steps of the Capitol building in Madison, Wisconsin.